This is our new kitty called Miracle. Likes to be fed. We don't know who the mama is.
She's abandoned by a chicken coop.
Probably about 3 weeks old.
2 to 3. I didn't see any white on her tummy. Might have been dust.
Could have been.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, are you cold? Are you cold, baby? Okay, she wants to climb. Okay. She likes to climb up on my head.
Yeah. Probably don't want her close to your hair.
Okay,
yet.
that's fine. You can stop filming now if you want.
This is our new little kitty. Call her Miracle. She's not very big. 3 weeks maybe. We have to feed her with a syringe and some formula. We have older kitties that are 15 years old. And so we've got this small kitty in the smaller trailer, the little 24-foot trailer. Because the older kitties, they get jealous. You know, they're 15 years old. And in fact, one of the two of the kitties peed on the bed, so I had to go out and get a mattress protector and have to clean the mattress before I can put it on. So I put some like Resolve cleaner on it, and we also put some like rubbing alcohol type stuff or something like that. My wife put that on. But this is the little kitty here. So, yep, she's not even old enough to use a cat litter box. So I guess they don't do that until 4 or 5 weeks old.